To ask questions on Instagram Story. Start by opening the Instagram app and navigating to the Story section. Tap the plus sign at the top right corner to begin creating a new story. You can upload a photo or video, or use the type mode to create a text-based story. Next, tap the sticker icon at the top right corner of the screen, which looks like a square with a face. This will open the sticker tray, where you can browse through various stickers and features. Scroll down and select the question sticker, which says Ask Me a Question. After selecting the question sticker, you can customize it by tapping on it. You can change the color and text of the sticker to match your story. Type in a question prompt to encourage your followers to ask you questions. For example, you can ask your followers about their favorite hobbies or what they like to do in their free time. Once you have customized the question sticker, tap the Send to button to share your story. Your followers can then tap on the question sticker to ask you a question. The questions will be sent to you privately, and you can respond to them individually. To respond to questions, go to the story and swipe up on the question sticker. You will see a list of all the questions asked by your followers. Tap on a question to respond to it, and type in your answer. You can also use the camera icon to record a video response. Best practices for asking questions on Instagram Story include keeping your question prompt clear and concise, and responding to questions in a timely manner. You can also use the question sticker to ask for feedback or opinions on a particular topic. For example, you can ask your followers to vote on a new product or service, or ask for suggestions on what content to post next. By following these steps and best practices, you can use the question sticker feature on Instagram to engage with your followers and build a community around your account.